Hello guys, we have Ramneek here. He is currently working as
I'm working as a senior consultant in improving. I'm ex-Camazian and good to see kind of things, community activities improving is doing. Even the today we are at KubeCon in Mumbai in Geo World Center. So nice meeting to Dishant again, coming from IEEE network, talking about Kubernetes and DevOps on the same page because what that's what we don't do in IEEE more often.
so few things which I thought to discuss with him because he has been doing IEEE work. He has been contributing in IEEE. Apart from that, he is also contributing in terms of skill building. Now, when it comes to freshers or who are currently in graduation or graduating, what kind of suggestions you can give them so that they can build their career into cloud along with AI? What are your thoughts on?
I personally see cloud and AI is really overall good. Like I always recommend all the students to explore kind of tools available, certification which are more important, industrial certification. Let's say Kubernetes certification, cloud certification, whether it is Google, Amazon, or Microsoft, they should start from there, like taking courses from Udemy. Mumshad Mohammed is here, so we can take the courses from Code Cloud as well.
But
So
apart from that, like the courses, what they can do themselves. Like courses everybody is selling, they don't want to, let's say they don't have money to spend on. So what they can do else?
I think it all starts from three things, which I always quote in every presentation. That is participation, volunteering, and networking. So today we are participating, like I am participating as well for the first time in KubeCon. So I get to learn new people, right? Through you, I get to learn about new community builders, community people, and volunteering is obviously. So whether you're a student first year to final year in BTech, or whether you are initiating your journey, start from these things. PVN model, which I always say.
So it's more like personal branding. Also, you contribute and volunteer. And what else?
Networking.
Networking. See, LinkedIn is the best option for networking. And if you want to learn more, you can also ask him. I'll tag him and you can ask him. Now, coming to the AI trends, you see, like there are students who are utilizing AI for any sort of task they want. But what are your thoughts on it? Like, should they utilize AI extensively or should they utilize it smartly?
I personally say, see, I have also started my journey in AI very recently, and part of AWS, I actually got certification or AI certification. Though journey should start from very basic. So I would say, obviously, everyone should know about metrics manipulation while we talk about LLM, right? So metrics and mathematics is always a key. Start from there. Try to understand what are the things like LLM models, what is it, how those things are being created, how those are deployed, um, those are the basics we should get started with. Once you are all done with it, I think along the journey you will explore community activities happening around you. Every single society will have those things, right? Start participating there. Coming to trends, for the experience and the initial early career people, LLM model deployment on their infrastructure on GPU instances. Many people doesn't know that NVIDIA is a GPU based company. They say, oh, NVIDIA, gaming console based company, right? But the situation is completely changed now and people are moving toward those things. I personally am going to work on GPU server soon in my new company. So I think those are the trends going on. So students should start from AI basics and math and then try to integrate those things with what's going on in the community activities.
Coming to the math part, when you see the newbies who are coming into AI, nobody knows mathematics in terms of like AI. They may have district mathematics in their syllabus, that is eigenvalue, eigenvectors, but nobody knows about it. So how exactly should they be moving forward on it, because it's a very controversial topic to go with.
No, that's definitely back. I have been attending a lot of AI talks and everyone talks about these concepts in math. See, that's why it was introduced in first year and second year of BTech syllabus, right? We cannot skip those things. I have been skipping AI so much, and I was like, okay, finally AI is gonna be in the race, so we need to get into those things. So I think get started with 11th, 12th class of mathematics. Try to grab those concepts first, and then AI will eventually will help you out. Yeah.
So, coming to the crux of this whole talk was, first, if you want to build yourself, you need personal branding, you need to volunteer, you need to contribute, and network is most important when it comes to getting jobs or any kind of opportunity. If you want to even volunteer, you need to network, as he suggested. And apart from that, we both have built ourselves just by using networking. LinkedIn networking or volunteering, anything, you can do it. Go for hackathons, learn something, and then you'll excel. Signing off, Deshan Gandhi.
Ramnik.
See you.